Very good morning, my dear students. In this video, we people are going to see your root pressure theory. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला था in last video that we are going to discuss theories for ascent of sap. We people have understood what is sap, what is ascent of sap, right? क्या होता है sap? Sap is nothing but water having minerals. Okay, so it's a kind of solution, and this sap is present in here. We are focusing on xylem sap. Okay, so water and minerals, or you can say it as a dissolved substance in xylem, is called as a xylem sap. What do you understand by ascent of sap? It's an upward movement of water from roots to tip of stem. इसको कहा जाता है ascent of sap. Okay, we people have understood one short and simple experiment to understand that water is transported through trachea elements of xylem. That is, we are talking about your tracheids and your vessel. What is the name of that experiment? Is your Stein experiment. ठीक है? Now, if we are talking about theories of ascent of sap, so here many such theories were being proposed, of which most accepted one we are going to understand two such theory. Number one is your root pressure theory, and second one is your cohesion tension, or you can say it as a transpiration pull theory. So if we are talking about your root pressure theory, right, then this root pressure is a kind of positive pressure which is developed in roots of plant. है ना, मैंने आपको बोला था. चलो, if I am talking about your root pressure, as the name suggests, pressure है. कैसा pressure होगा ये? It's your positive hydrostatic pressure. Yes or no? Positive hydrostatic pressure which is developed in roots. And yes, ये जो root pressure है, this root pressure is manifestation of I can say your active water absorption which uses energy from respiration, and that is our ATPs. That is, I am talking about your ATPs. Dear student, in mechanism of water absorption we have understood two such methods. Number one is passive water absorption and active water absorption. How water is absorbed actively, that we have seen in that theory. Yes or no? Yes. So for this you people have to memorize that ये जो आपका root pressure है, this root pressure is manifestation of active water absorption. Yes, one point I forgot to tell you that this root pressure theory was proposed by our Priestley, Joseph Priestley. Okay, so ये जो name है ये आपको याद रखना है. Who proposed root pressure theory is your Priestley. Am I clear? Okay. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बोला, it's your positive hydrostatic pressure developed in root, and it is manifestation of active water absorption. ठीक है? Now, if we are talking about this root pressure, then this kind of pressure develops in particular season. Okay, this kind of root pressure develops in particular season in some plants. Say for example, I am saying it develops in rainy season for your tropical plants. Okay, and this root pressure develops in your spring, in case of your temperate plants. Am I clear? Chalo, any doubts in this? So this is season that you people have to memorize. It develops in particular season only, either in case of rainy season or in case of spring. If I am talking about rainy season, then it is in case of your tropical plants. In spring, it develops in your temperate plants. Am I clear? Okay. Now, one of the most important thing यहाँ पे जो आपको पढ़नी है, that is a phenomena called as your guttation. Called as your guttation. Okay. If I am talking about this guttation, so this guttation is the loss of water in form of liquid. Am I clear? Guttation is nothing but loss of water in form of liquid. Okay, now dear student, if you people in early morning, if you people have walked on grass, क्या फील होता होगा आपको? Your feet will become wet. Yes or no? Yes. That is due to this phenomena. That is due to this guttation. Am I clear? So dear student, this guttation that is a result of root pressure. ये जो guttation है, it is, I can say, result of root pressure. Am I clear? Early morning, जहाँ पे rate of transpiration is less, there develops root pressure in xylem sap. Okay, this results in loss of water from pores which are present on tip of grass, and this pore is called as your hydatodes. ये pores को क्या कहा जाता है? Hydatodes कहा जाता है. चलो, let me draw the diagram for the same. Say for example, I am drawing this is the structure of leaf. Of course, leaf is made up of cell. Leaf जो है वो किससे बना होता है? Cell से बना होता है. Okay, this is your grass. ये क्या है? Grass है. And this tip, ये जो tip है, this is called as your hydatode. I mean to say the pore which is present at tip is called as your hydatodes. तो ये जो पानी है due to root pressure, okay, early in morning यहां से पानी का ड्रॉप बाहर आता है. क्लियर? दिस इज योर वाटर ड्रॉप. दिस इज योर वाटर ड्रॉप. एम आई क्लियर? नाउ इज दिस वाटर प्योर? यहां से जो पानी बाहर निकलता है, इज इट प्योर? नो, इट इज impure as it contains water along with dissolved substance. Am I clear? तो I hope ये आपको समझ में आया. गटेशन क्या है? Loss of water in form of liquid. Okay, ये पानी कहाँ से बाहर निकलता है? From tip. This tip have a pore. This pore is called as your hydatodes, through which due to root pressure your water drops are coming out. This occurs in early morning. Okay, ये कब होता है? It occurs in early morning when rate of transpiration, जब ट्रांसपीरेशन का रेट कब कैसा होता है? When rate of transpiration is low. Even it occurs in evening. Am I clear? So dear student, ये जो root pressure है, right? ये जो root pressure है वो कितना पाया जाता है? 1 to 2 bars, or you can say it as your atmosphere. Okay, 1 to 2 bars, or you can say it as your atmosphere. Okay, again, if I am talking about your root pressure, then it lower down, it slows in condition of your low temperature, in condition of your drought, and in condition of absence of oxygen. Okay, so what I am writing over here, आपका जो root pressure है, it reduces कब? When there is low temperature. Okay, when there is condition of drought, or when there is a less availability of ऑक्सीजन. एम आई क्लियर? सो डियर स्टूडेंट, ये जो है वो क्या है आपकी रूट प्रेशर थियोरी. आपको अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा, राइट? इंपॉर्टेंट है यहाँ से गटेशन, यहाँ से क्वेश्चन बनते हैं गटेशन. गटेड वाटर, ये जो गटेड वाटर कहा जाएगा वो कैसा होता है? इम्प्योर होता है. वाई इट इज इम्प्योर? सिंस सिर्फ पानी नहीं होता, उसके साथ साथ क्या होता है? डिसॉल्व्ड सब्सटेंसेस आर ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट. सो आई होप यू understood this video very well. Thank you very much.